Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Hope you're having a great day. This is going to be EZDeals official demo review walkthrough and bonuses. I just love this software, so I want to jump in there and show you exactly how it works. So again, this is the EZDeals official demo review walkthrough and bonuses. What is EZDeals? EZDeals is basically you're going to be able to make Groupons for businesses like that, like literally in a couple of minutes, guys. You'll be able to blow out a whole a program for them, and all you do is you host it for them. You say, hey, here's your Groupon. You help them get it out on social media. You can charge them for that. You can charge them whatever you want, and the people just find it. They go, yeah, I want that deal. They click the button. Instead of Groupon taking like 80% of the profits of that local business, they actually get to have it all. So they can charge whatever they want. They're not losing that huge 80%, and they get the money up front because the people pay for the deal before they use it. And a lot of people will buy stuff and never end up using it. So let's jump into it here. Let's make sure I'm on the right screen here. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Let me just get my camera out of the way here. Clean up a little screens. So basically you jump in and this is your dashboard, and it's so easy. I was playing around with it, and basically you come down here and you just go edit. It brings it up. This is one for a spa. It's kind of like all the templates are already done for you guys. Like you get all these crazy awesome templates, but anything you want to turn off, like if you want to turn off the header, boom, it turns off. Main screen, turn it off. Timer screen, turn it off. Deal section, that goes down. Like the map section, anything you want to do, like this map section here. The map thing is a little bit wonky. As soon as you touch it, it kind of zooms. So you could leave that there. There's the content editor. That is for the address. So it's super simple. So there's all these themes, but if you want to change this picture, you can just go to Pixabay, which is all, like, let's just find some beautiful flowers. And instead of having that one, we can do this delicate one, right? And lotus, everyone likes the lotuses. Boom, now you've got that in there. And actually I'm going to give you a demo, guys, that's basically going to, I'm going to give you a bonus that's going to be able to make, if they don't have a logo, you're going to be able to do the logo. Anyways, super cool. Go down here, change the spa. Here's the timer thing. The timer will run whatever you want to set it. And here's the deal. So just like Groupon, the deal price, let's say they have a foot massage, body massage, scrub, whatever, it's a 90-minute thing, and they usually charge $250. Well, they could charge someone like $100, right? And so, or let's say they want to charge $150, apply changes, savings of $100, and deals left, we want to say there's only 25, and we don't want to say left. We actually want to change this to available. See how easy, guys? Everything is editable on these templates. So we could straighten that up. How would we do that? Let's just go deals. Let's see, just do available. There you go. So there's 25 available deal price. Now, if they grab the deal there, that would be the link to the sales button. Now they could do PayPal, they could take your Stripe, whatever it is. So these pages, guys, like businesses are looking for ways to generate business. If you can, show this to them, show them how to SEO it. There's like SEO options on here. You can put all your SEO, and if you don't know how to do SEO, guys, I'm going to give you a bonus on a total full SEO course. So you're going to be able to grab that too. I'm actually going to give you a whole agent. You know what? Let's basically, guys, this is a no-brainer. Simple, simple, simple. You could just make these all day long. Go to your local tire shop. Go to your spas. Go to your hairdressers. Go to your lawyers. Go to your dentists. Go to all these people. They may have websites already. They may have great websites. All you need to build one of these, and like, hey, and just email them, call them, and say, hey, I put a little page together for you to generate some more business, and you send them a link to it and let them look at it and say, hey, are you interested in looking at using this page? That's simple, guys. Really, really simple. And in fact, I know that the software has an entire training on how to get deals. So let's jump over. I'm gonna just jump over to, so, guys. It's simple. There's nothing else to do. It's literally, it'll take you 2 minutes to put these together. The next one. So I'm gonna jump over to the bonus page here. I'll stay on there. Okay, so guys, this is my bonus page. This is going to be available for another day. It just talks about what EZDeals is, but let's jump down to the bonuses here. What you're going to get if you purchase it today. And remember, the front end is only like $28, so you're going to get 1,500 and and I think it's 1,500 bucks worth of bonuses just for picking this up. So number one, local SEO agency pro, boom. You get the full video sales letter, infographics, articles, giveaway report, e-covers, cheat sheets. It's the most comprehensive solution to start and grow your online local SEO agency. You're going to get that. Super, super simple. This is what I was talking about, SEO and ranking tracking techniques. So you're going to be able to go in there and you're going to be able to rank these pages using their social media, using actually Google and getting them up to bring value to the table. Because if you present a business with that little $100 thing, and then you come back to them, or they're going to come back to you and say, hey, what else can you do, right? So if you've got some of these tricks up your sleeve, you're going to be able to really help them create quality lead generation pages. So if they go, oh, I don't really want a coupon page, but I'd love to get some different local lead generation pages. Boom, you can just make them right like that. Here's the other thing I was talking about, biggest logo templates. Guys, maybe they have just like text for logo, and you could say, hey, I also kind of put this logo together for you. I don't know if you're interested. You can charge, guys, when I had my design company in Los Angeles, we charged big bucks for logos because people love logos. Now, you can't get quite as much for the logos, but you can still get great money. Or you can take this and go on Fiverr and set up like, hey, I'll build logos for you for a couple of bucks. You get that totally free. Chatbot, this is another one. Say, maybe they're saying, yeah, but we get people on our website, but we don't know how to engage with them. You can show them exactly how to set up a chatbot for their page and basically charge them to run it for however you want to do it, right? You will learn. And the last one is the FB leads discovery. So this is going to be able to show them exactly how to get leads on Facebook and basically build out their Facebook fan page, build out everything they need. Go back to the software, guys. It has Google Analytics in it. It has Facebook tracking pixels. If you don't know what that stuff is, you're going to learn about it in the courses and on this whole thing. So you want to definitely secure your copy today. Oh, and the vendor bonuses. You're going to have full access to all the vendor bonuses. So you're going to get the secret template pack. So all those awesome businesses, all the niches that they're there for you. You're going to get social media covers. So basically, you're going to give them a helping hand getting all their social media put together, and then again prospecting and sales too. So they're going to give you an email sequence in order to reach out and all that kind of stuff for you. So let's just go over it. Local SEO Agency Pro, SEO Ranking Tactics, Local Lead Page, Biggest Logo Templates Collection, Chatbot Revolution, Facebook Leads Discovery, and All Access Vendor Bonuses, which is a $697 value. Combined, that is $1,579 extra value when you buy it. So you pick up a $28 product and you get all this great stuff. So hopefully, guys, that is helpful for you. Let me jump back on here. Again, I really, really love this program. It's awesome, and you don't have to. I'm targeting it for local, but you don't have to be local to do this. You could do this to any city in America. If you want to just zone in on one niche, like you're gonna go, I'm gonna be the spa Groupon person because spas are always in Groupon. I always get Groupon emails because I buy gift certificates for my wife. I get Groupon stuff all the time. So if you go just sign up for Groupon. As soon as you get an email for that spa, call the spa and say, hey, I see that you're spending you're doing Groupon things. How would you like it if I could help you do your own? And we'll use your social media, we'll use your Facebook, we'll use your Twitter, we'll use your Instagram if they got whatever they've got, and they can start, instead of paying off that mass amount to Groupon, they're able to actually keep all that money and they just pay you like a small one-time fee for each one. Or you can rent those pages. You create the page and you go, I'll rent this page to you for $250 a month or $100 a month or $300 a month. It's like they only need 1 or 2 deals from it, and boom, it's paid for it. And the rest of it is all profit for them instead of losing money to Groupon, because I know that's true. All right, guys, I hope that's helpful for you. Grab EZDeals today before the price goes up. You don't want to miss out on it. And again, this has been, where's my notes here? This has been EZDeals official demo review, walkthrough, and bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so that you get the next video when it comes out. But again, EZDeals official demo review, walkthrough, and bonuses. Grab the bonuses right now before they go away, and grab this amazing thing, guys. Because you could actually you could hire someone to do the work for you. Like go on Fiverr, go, hey, I have this software, guys. I'll pay you $10 or $20 to put it together for me. You go out and get the business. You don't even have to do the stuff. You just get someone on Fiverr to do it for you. It's very, very lucrative. Do 10 of those a day and you are laughing. You know what 6 figures is, guys? If you made 3 of those a day, $294 a day, if you can make that, that is a 6-figure income. Just saying. All right, guys. EZDeals official demo review, walkthrough, and bonuses. I'll see you on the next one.